My bro strap for the money, get busy in a bando. Chief, bang, bang, yes, gang, go away, find go, mama, see it. Till I come, take a seat.
Hey guys, I hope you're well. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nivii. So in today's video, I did this. I tried to make my these curls look as natural as possible. I mean, they look pretty natural, I must say. I did use heat to create these, but I used a really thin one to create these. These are overnight. I did sleep on these, and this is basically how it looks the day after I curl them. It looks a lot more looser than how it looked yesterday, but yeah, if you want to know how I got these curls, then keep on watching. So starting off from the night before, my hair's already straightened, but you don't have to straighten it before doing this. So I'm taking this super thin one from Lee Safford. I will link it down below. So I'm basically just parting my hair from my ear and then tying the top half of the section away from my face so that I can start curling from the bottom section. So when I start curling the bottom section, I usually don't hold it on the heating tool for too long, just so that I have looser curls on the bottom section to keep the length or not make it so short, because the longer I keep it, the more tighter the curls. So I wanted this one to be quite loose, just so that it didn't make my hair too short. So now that I've curled the bottom section, I'm gonna split the top section again in half, take the top section away from my face, and basically just start curling from the next section. And basically I'll be doing the same thing as I did with the first section, just maybe keep it on the curler for a few seconds longer, so that it becomes a bit more tighter and looks a bit like this. So I am curling these sections in different directions, just so that the curls don't stick together, and also it makes my hair look more fuller and more voluminous, and basically makes it look like I have more hair on my head. So as you can tell, my hair is quite thin, and yeah, I do like to add a bit more volume to my hair. So yeah, I'm just working my way through this, as you can see, and I'm just gonna skip a few bits just so that, because you guys get the drill. So yeah, I'm just gonna fast forward everything. Okay, so now that I'm done curling my entire head, I'm just going to leave it like this and sleep with this on my hair, doing nothing to it, and basically wake up the next morning, and this is basically how it looks the next day. And yeah, a lot more looser, a lot more natural looking, and I'm just putting some oil into my hair just to make it look less frizzy and a bit more shinier. So that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to achieve this hair. And again, these do last a few days, so you can curl it the night before and then it will last maybe 2 to 3 days. So yeah, it's worth a go, and I don't recommend brushing your hair afterwards, because it's just going to look like a big poof. So you don't want it to look like that. So I don't know what happened there. I think I completely forgot to film the outro. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.